Hello all, this is Pavithra. Today I come up with quadratic equations. We can solve these type of questions in less than 10 seconds, for sure. Here, two variables are given. One is x and another one is y. We have to solve these two linear equations, and we have to check whether it is greater than or less than, or greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, or equals to. Now here, first I am going with traditional approach, that is x square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. Correct? X square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now in our childhood days, we learn this type of method. Correct? What we have to do first, we have to split these 15 in terms of 8 to get 8. Now how I can split? Can I split it like this? 3 into 5, it is giving the result as 15. Now here, what about sign? Can I take minus 5 and minus 3? Minus 5 and minus 3, it is giving the result as minus 8. Now can I write x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now x is taken common out, x minus 5, and here also x minus 5 is taken common out. What is this? Minus 3. Now x minus 5, and what about this? X minus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to 5, and here x is equals to 3. Now this is one quadratic equation. Now what about another quadratic equation? Y square minus 5y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now how I can split? Can I split like this? 3 into 2, it is giving the result as 6, and 3 plus 2, it is giving the result as 5. Now minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, it is giving the result as minus 5. X square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6, y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now y is taken common out, y minus 3, and here y minus, to get y minus 3, what I have to do? What I have to take common out 2 is equals to 0. Y minus 3, and here y minus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 3, and here y equals to 2. Now what I have to do next? I have to compare x values with y value, and I have to compare another x value with another y values. Correct? Now here first I am going with x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3. If I am comparing these two values, you will get x is greater when compared to y. Yes, 5 is greater when compared to 3. Correct. Now x greater than y. Now similarly, if I am comparing x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2, x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2. Definitely we can say x is greater when compared to y. 5 is greater when compared to 2. Similarly, what about this? X is equals to 3 and y is equals to 3, x is equals to y. Now what about this? X is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. X is greater when compared to y. Now here all the cases can I say x is greater than or equals to y? Yes, x is greater and x is equals to. X is greater than or equals to y. Answer is option C, x is greater than or equals to y. Now this is one way of solving these type of questions. Now what is the another way? No need to calculate entire calculations. Here. Now x square minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now how I can split 15? Can I split is 3 into 5? 15. Now I have to get, must be minus 8. I have to get minus 8. So what I have to do? I have to take minus 3 and I have to take minus 5. 3 into 5 is equals to 15, and minus 3 minus 5, it is giving the result as minus 8. Now you are getting here minus. Here, finally, definitely you will get, no need to calculate entirely. Finally, definitely you will get x is equals to 3 plus 3, and here x is equals to plus 5 for sure. Means signs will be changed. That's it. X is equals to 3 and x is equals to 5. Now similarly, what about this? Y square minus 5y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now how I can split? 3 into 2, it is giving the result as 6. Now minus 3 minus 2, it is giving the result as minus 5. Yes. Now here the minus. Now what about the final signs you can expect? Y is equals to plus 3 and y is equals to plus 2. Signs will be changed. That's it. Now we have to compare x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 3, means x is equals to y. Now x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3. Definitely we can say x is greater when compared to y. Definitely we can say x is greater than or equals to y. Answer is option C, x is greater than or equals to y. I hope it is clear. Moving forward to next question. Yes, if the question is giving like this, here 2x square, 5y square. I'm not going with, okay, first I will go with the traditional approach, how we can tackle out these type of questions. First, what we have to do, we have to multiply 15 into 15 into 2, it is giving the result as 30. Now I have to write the 30 in terms of 11. In terms of 11. Now how I can split 6 into 5, it is giving the result as 30. Now can I write minus 6 minus 5, minus 6 minus 5, it is giving the result as minus 11. Correct? Now 2x squared minus 6x minus 5x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now 2x is taken common out, x minus 3, and here also x to get x minus 3, what I have to take common out, 5 is equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0, and here 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. X is equals to 3 and 2x is equals to 5 plus 5, x is equals to 5 by 2. Now what about this? 5y square minus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now how I can split? Can I split like this? 5 into 2 is equals to 10. I have to split 10. Now here, can I split minus 5 plus 2? Minus 5 plus 2, it is giving the result as minus 3. 5y square minus 5y plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. If I'm taking common out 5y, y minus 1. And what is this? Plus 2 is taken common out, y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now what is this? Y minus 1 is equals to 0 and 5y plus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 1 and 5y is equals to minus 2. Y is equals to minus 2 by 5. Now what I have to do finally, I have to compare the values, correct? Now here x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. We can say x is greater when compared to y. Now what is this? X is equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means a fraction. In fraction you will get 2 point something will get, correct? Means 2 point something means we can say if I'm comparison with x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1, definitely we can say x is greater when compared to y. In second case also, x is greater when compared to y. Now what is this? X is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2 by 5. If x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, it is giving the result in points. Correct, 0 point something. Means x is greater when compared to y. Now what about this? X is equals to 5 by 2 and y is equals to minus 2 by 5. This is minus 0 point something. And what is this? 2 point something. Means x is greater when compared to y. Correct? All the cases x is greater when compared to y. We can say final answer is option A. Now this is the one way of doing approach. Now what is the another way of doing approach? Now here 2x square minus 11x plus 15 is equals to 0. Now here what you have to do, you have to multiply 2 into 15. It is giving the result as 30. I can split 6 into 5 and here minus 5 and here 6 minus 6 and minus 5. It is giving the result as minus 11. Now finally you will get plus 6 and finally you will get plus 5. But here the what we can say x variable is there, that is 2. Now what you have to do is you have to divide. Now 6 by 2, that is 3. X is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5 by 2. Now similarly, what is this? 5y square minus 3y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now 5 into 2 is equals to 10. Now how I can split 5 into 2? Yes, minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2, it is giving the result as minus 3. Now here what we have to do, we have to change the signs finally. X is equals to plus 5 and y is equals to, y is equals to minus 5 and y is equals to minus 2. Now here what I have to do, I have to divide. Here the what we can say variable is 5. Now you have to divide with 5. Now what is this? Y is equals to 1 and here y is equals to minus 2 by 5. Correct? Now here x is greater when compared to y. X is greater when compared to y. X is greater when compared to y. And x is greater when compared to y. X is greater when compared to y. We can say directly answer is option A. X is greater than y. I hope it is clear for you. Please do share and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.